Hello and welcome back to another stitch tutorial from SandraStitches. Today we are going to be learning how to work the SEDGE stitch. As you can see, it's a really two-side stitch, very dense, very beautiful, with a wavy kind of feeling. It goes in all kind of ways. It's very, very simple. All you need to know is single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So you can make blankets, you can make sweaters, you can make scarves, you can make tops, dresses, skirts, pants, whatever you want to make with it, because it's really, really, really simple. So let's get started. So I am using my 5mm hook and my weight 4 yarn, and this stitch calls for a multiple of 3 plus 1. If you are working it on top of other stitches, but if you are making a foundation like we are, so it's going to be 3 plus 1 plus another 2. So basically it's 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then if I was working it on top of other stitches, I would put another one. But we are starting from a foundation chain, so we'll work 2 more chains. So I have my foundation chain, and we are going to start row 1 by half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So the loop on the hook does not count. We skip the first chain, we skip the second chain, and we work in the third chain 1 half double crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 stitches. And in the same chain, 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have 1 half double and 1 double in the third chain from the hook. Now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third one, work 1 single crochet in the same chain, 1 half double, and in the same chain, 1 double. So we're working 3 stitches in the same chain. So we get these clusters. Now we skip 2 chains. In the third, we repeat it. 1 single, 1 half double, and 1 double. This is a really easy stitch. Skip 2 in the third, 1 single, 1 half double. Let me get some yarn, and 1 double in the same chain. And now we have 3 chains left at the end of our row. So we skip 2 and we work 1 single crochet in the last chain. This is it. Chain 1, turn our work. And row number 2 is going to be our row repeat. So in this first stitch, we work 1 half double and 1 double crochet. Okay, in the first stitch. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Maybe here we can say that it counts as our first single crochet, but usually it does not count. So we work only one half double and one double in the first stitch. Now we skip 2, so we skip our double and half double from the previous row, and we work in our single. We work one single, one half double in the same stitch, and one, oops, something happened to my yarn here, and one double in the same stitch. So again, we have the clusters. So we start with a half double and double, skip 2 in the single crochet from the previous row, we work our cluster, single, half double, double, skip 2 in the next one, we work the cluster, single, half double, and double, skip 2, single. My yarn got all tangled here. It happens. Half double and double, and skip 2, and we finish with a single crochet in the last, in this chain 2 that we had from the beginning that we skipped. One single crochet, chain 1, and we repeat row number 2. So we'll do one more. We start with a half double and double in the first stitch. So half double and double in the first stitch, skip 2 in the next single crochet, half double and double, and this is it. Skip 2 in the next single crochet, single, half double and double. This is really easy, and you can go on and on. I think it's great for blankets and, you know, almost anything. I can see tops, and I can see pants and skirts, and maybe even if you are working like a stitch sampler for something. So again, so in the last one we skip 2 and we single crochet in the last stitch. This is it. As you can see, if you go on and on, you get this amazing kind of square but with movement stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.